Cool Hotel Tour!
Welcome to a Pretty Cool Hotel Tour. We are just outside of Los Angeles, scouring some local hotels to figure out where to spend a romantic evening in. We've packed everything we need for a relaxed, romantic getaway, and we will be answering the age-old question, how does unlimited soup, salad, and breadsticks translate to curbside pickup? First up is the Flamingo Inn, which I hear has jacuzzi suites. Hopefully one in the shape of a heart.
You need gas, so it's practical as well.
Nice. Very romantic.
Hey, someone's got to do the pumping.
Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Good thing I bought myself flowers. First up. Oh my word. I have lived right by this hotel for 6 years. Okay. Wow, let's take a tour. Beautiful blue and white heart-shaped jacuzzi surrounded by mirrors. Your towels may be a little crusty. Is it clean? You know, I don't know for sure. I'm gonna wipe it down and I'm gonna enjoy it. People don't understand what they have. Heavily advertised. Very difficult to find.
I mean, look at those corner flaps.
I mean, I get it. Next up, we have Dynasty Suites, which according to their website, they do have a honeymoon suite, so we're kind of hoping for the best. Welcome to Dynasty Suites. How, again, has this slipped through our fingers? Look at this. This is service. A basket, a comb, a toothbrush. You could have a good night in here. This old leather headboard has been slowly shedding, and I honestly thought it was bugs at first, but it's not. Just leather. Are you about to do magic? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was so good.
You believe that?
Do it again. Love you.
Love you.
And lastly, we have a classic Days Inn. Rumored to have a red heart-shaped tub, the mother lode. Wish us luck. Oh, hello. Basic Days Inn. What a surprise. Another winner. Suburban Days Inn, featuring a beautiful red heart-shaped tub. Tub time?
Tub time. Ooh, dip in the biddies. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow, we did it. We did the whirlwind tour of local heart-shaped tub motels.
I know how hard you've looked to find heart-shaped tubs, so I was shocked to find out that you found 3 all within an hour of where we've been living this whole time.
None of these places are particularly upscale. None of them are 5-star. I don't know if any of them are 3-star. But if what you're looking for is a heart-shaped tub, you're not going to find a new place. You're not going to find an updated place. You're going to find a roadside motel that you're lucky to find a tub in. So everyone get out there, do some Googling, find a heart-shaped tub, and have yourself a nice night in for Valentine's Day. I don't care if you have a partner. I don't care if you're going by yourself. Dress up, bring champagne, to curbside pickup, date nights in, to making the most of it.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.